Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily sync your Fitbit with the Apple Health app. First things first, make sure you have both the Fitbit app and the Apple Health app downloaded on your phone. Open the Fitbit app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select App and Devices. Choose Apple Health and then tap on Setup. You'll be prompted to log into your Apple ID to authorize the connection. Next, you'll need to select which data you want to allow the Fitbit app to write to Apple Health. Make your selections based on the information you want to sync across both platforms. Once you've made your choices, tap Turn All Categories On. This will ensure that all the data tracked by your Fitbit device will be shared with the Apple Health app seamlessly. Now that you've set up the data syncing preferences, make sure to wear your Fitbit device regularly to track your daily activity, exercise, and health metrics. Your Fitbit will automatically sync this information to the Fitbit app on your phone. From there, it will be transferred to the Apple Health app based on the preferences you set earlier. To check if the syncing is working correctly, open the Apple Health app and navigate to the specific data categories like steps, workouts, or sleep. You should see the data populated from your Fitbit device. If you encounter any issues with syncing, double-check your connection settings in both the Fitbit and Apple Health apps. Congratulations! You've successfully synced your Fitbit with the Apple Health app. Now you can easily track all your health and fitness data in one convenient location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.